The 2011 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, running boards, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, traction control, power steering, front air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.